In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert spline to polyline, and we're going to do that in Civil 3D application. So I have these drawings here. These are splines. So we need to convert this to polyline. So I'm going to show you how to convert a single spline and how to convert multiple spline. The first thing that you need to do is to activate the spline command. So just type in spline edit and then just select spline edit. Then if you look at the command line, it's telling you to select the drawing. I'm going to select the spline that I want to convert. Then this small window will appear. Then you just select convert to polyline. Now you need to specify the precision. You can specify a number from 1 to 99, and you can and you need to know that the larger the number, the smooth your polyline drawing output. So if we type in 1, you can see how it appears. Now let's repeat the same process with the higher number. So let's type spline edit. You hit enter, select the second drawing, and then click convert, and then let's say you want a precision of about 50 or 70, let's say 60, and you hit enter. So it has been converted, but this one has remained smooth. You can see that it's actually smooth with the you can see, but the vertices are numerous compared to this one here. Now if you want to convert multiple spline to polyline, you need to type, to activate the pedit command, just type pedit and you hit enter. And then in the command line you need to specify that it is multiple. Now you can either type M, just type M, or just select multiple and then select the spline that you want to convert, then multiple spline that you need to convert to polyline, sorry. And then you hit enter, and then just type in Y for yes, hit enter, and then for precision this time round, let's try let's just keep it 1 and hit enter. Now escape. You can see now we have converted multiple splines at the same time. So that's all. That's how you convert spline to polyline.